Once upon a time, there was a peaceful village. The people were kind, the houses were small, and life was simple. In this village lived many animals. Among them were a dog and a cat. The dog was strong and powerful. He guarded the village gates. Whenever strangers came, he barked loudly. People gave him food in return for his service. But the dog had one weakness. He was very greedy. No matter how much food he got, he always wanted more. If one piece of bread was given, he wanted two. If two bones were given, he wanted three. The cat, on the other hand, was very different. She was small and gentle. She loved to sleep in the sunshine. She never demanded much. She was clever and wise. The villagers respected her for her calm nature. One evening, a farmer gave the dog a big piece of meat. The dog wagged his tail happily. But soon he thought, why only one? The farmer has more meat. I should have taken two pieces. The cat was sitting nearby. She smiled and said, friend, be happy with what you got. That one piece is enough for you. The dog shook his head. No, cat. I want more. Why should I settle for less? The cat replied wisely. Because greed has no end. If you want more today, you will want even more tomorrow. The dog ignored her advice and walked away proudly. The dog carried the meat in his mouth. He wanted to eat it peacefully, away from everyone. So he went to the river. The water was clear. When the dog looked down, he saw his own reflection. But he thought it was another dog holding meat. He growled, that dog has a bigger piece. I must take it too. The greedy dog barked. The moment he opened his mouth, his meat fell into the water. The river carried it away quickly. The dog jumped, scratched, and cried. Oh no! My meat is gone. Because of my greed, I lost everything. The wise cat, who had followed him quietly, shook her head. She said, did I not warn you, my friend? Greed always takes away what you already have. The dog sat on the ground, feeling ashamed. The cat sat beside him and told the story. Once, a farmer had a bag of rice. He was happy. But he wanted more. He went to steal another bag from his neighbor. While carrying it, he dropped both bags and lost everything. That is what greed does. It takes away joy and leaves you with nothing. The dog listened carefully. He lowered his head. You are right, cat. I lost my food. I lost my happiness. All because of my greedy heart. The cat gently said, strength can guard the village. But only wisdom can guard your heart. The dog looked at her with respect. Teach me, cat. I want to learn. From that day, the dog tried to control his greed. When villagers gave him food, he accepted it happily. He stopped begging for more. He stopped fighting with other dogs. One day, a child gave him just a small piece of bread. Earlier, he would have barked angrily. But now, he wagged his tail and ate it with joy. The child smiled and hugged him. The villagers noticed the change. They said, this dog has become wiser. He is no longer greedy. They started trusting him more. But one day, the dog's new wisdom was tested. A merchant passed through the village with a cart full of meat. The smell spread everywhere. The dog's mouth watered. His old greedy thoughts returned. He thought, if I steal one piece, nobody will notice. Maybe I can take more than one. But then he remembered the cat's words. Greed always takes away what you already have. He closed his eyes, took a deep breath, and walked away. The cat, who was watching, nodded proudly. Later, the merchant himself gave the dog a piece of meat as thanks for guarding the road. The dog felt happy. He thought, "This feels better than stealing." Patience brings rewards. The dog and cat became best friends. They shared food. They shared stories. They sat under the tree together in the evenings. The dog asked the cat, "How are you always so calm? Don't you ever want more food, more milk, more comfort?" The cat smiled. "Happiness is not in getting more. Happiness is in enjoying what you have. I eat little, I sleep peacefully, and I am happy. If I want more, my peace will be gone." The dog nodded slowly. "I understand now. Greed made me restless. Contentment makes me peaceful." One night, some thieves came to the village. They tried to steal the farmer's grains. The dog barked loudly. The cat also jumped on the sacks, making noise. The villagers woke up and caught the thieves. Everyone praised the dog and the cat. The headman said, "Today our dog has shown not only strength but also wisdom. And our cat has shown great courage. Both are true protectors of our village." The dog felt proud but humble. He whispered to the cat, "Without your wisdom, I would still be greedy and selfish." "Thank you, my friend." The cat purred softly. "That is what friends are for." Years passed. The dog grew older but wiser. The cat too became old but remained clever. One evening, the dog looked at the sunset and said, "Cat, once I thought food was everything. I wanted more and more. But now I know wisdom, friendship, and peace are more valuable than food." The cat replied, "You have learned the greatest lesson of life. Greed destroys. Contentment builds. Strength without wisdom is dangerous. But strength with wisdom can protect the world." The dog wagged his tail happily. For the first time in his life, he felt truly full, not in his stomach, but in his heart. Moral of the story: greed always leads to loss. Wisdom and contentment bring peace. Be thankful for what you have. True friends help us grow.